Once a user will log into Spectrum Protect Plus software UI, the first screen that will appear is the dashboard. It will provide overall status of the backup environment on a single screen. For SPP reporting, click Report from the navigation menu on the left. It will display the report pane on the right. There are 4 different report categories and 11 different types of predefined reports available for the selection. You can run these reports with predefined default parameters or run and save customized reports driven by custom parameters. Let me show you how quickly and easily a user can create and save these predefined reports for the immediate review, monitoring, and management purpose. Let's create a most desired and useful vSnap storage utilization report for backup admins today. This report will provide the storage utilization detail of your vSnap servers, including the availability status, free space, and use space. For the report, I would select the vSnap storage utilization and run this report. So with a simple 2 clicks, I would get my vSnap storage utilization report ready on the same screen here. Once I have the report reviewed, and if I like it, and if I would like to save it, I use the download, and I can download this report with the 4 different formats: HTML, PDF, Word, or Excel. Let me start with the HTML format, and I would like to give a name here and save the file. Yes. So this is the way you can just select the report, and with another click you can create the report. Now let me show you another example how we can change the predefined parameters, and we can run the report here. So let's create another very useful protected VM report with custom options. This report will provide overall view of the protection status of your virtual machines. How many VMs are protected and how many VMs are not protected. So let's select protected VM report here. The next step is select the options. Every report has a different options which is related to that particular report. Here I'm going to select the VMware, which is my hypervisor. I have an option to select the vCenter server. I will select the server, and there is a protection method. I will select the vSnap storage protection method here, and there is a show unprotected VMs. So once the options has been selected, I'm just going to click the run here and review this report. So this will show me the protected VMs report. It is like similar to your dashboard view. I can see I have a 56 unprotected VMs for that particular vCenter server, and 4 VMs has been protected. Which VMs has been protected are this: Linux 1, Linux 2, Windows 1, and Windows 2. Let's see, I like this report and I would like to save it. The simple download as a PDF format, save a file, and give a name. So once the report has been saved and you like this report for the future purpose and you like this output, you can also create as a custom report here. You can just give a simple name here, VM report, and a particular vCenter report. So vCenter 185. Again, you can give the description what you like, and I'm going to save this report here. So that is going to save this report as a custom report. Once I have saved this report, in the future, whenever I need to create the same report, I don't have to select any other options, but I would just select that report from this list, and I will create the output of that. Now let's go ahead and check the another example, how you can schedule a report. So let's say in this example, I will show you how a user can schedule and automate a reporting process for the self-service use cases, such as daily monitoring, team information, or management review purpose. So let's schedule another job report for the daily monitoring purpose. This report will describe the summary view and detailed view of running, completed, and failed jobs in SPP configuration. So I would select the system. I would select the report, which is a job report here. And my next step is I'm keeping the options predefined here. I'm not changing any options. At this time, I would like to schedule a report. I would select the schedule for this report. I would like to get this report daily at 9 a.m. on my email. And this is my email. I would add this email as a recipient for this report. I can add one more person, or I can add the whole group. I can add as many as email I need it for this particular report recipient and for this schedule. Once the recipient is added, I will just go ahead and save this schedule. Once I save this, the Spectrum Protect Plus software will send me this report daily at 9 a.m. Once I schedule this report, I would like to run it. And you can see a nice summary here, which is showing you the details of every job here. And you can see a different header here, job type, number of jobs, runs, completed, failed, and other. These reports are very live. You can sort them as you like it for each column. So once this report is reviewed and you like to save it for the future purpose, again, I would just click this button and let's say save it as a Word format this time and save a file to my computer. So this is how easy and simple to create any report, review report, or change some of the predefined options. There is one more tab here, which is a user access. So let's say I like this report and I would like to provide the access for creating a report or reviewing the report to VM admin. I would just add this user here, and he will be able to perform the same job next time whenever he needs it. And again, this is a self-service use case. Backup admin will be able to delegate or hand over their daily job to the user, and they can perform some more important tasks here.